extreme bearishness is seen again on the US indices, specifically Dow Jones tanking strongly till towards 33,200. And US 100 it showed a little resilience, but in fact it has dropped after achieving the highs at 11,690 level. So now what to expect today? Are we expecting it to continue with the drop, or we can expect a bounce back? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be released before the US session, so do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into US 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now, these are the hourly charts, and on the hourly charts, lower highs, lower lows, but look at the bottom there, 11,380 levels, providing it a very good support. Now, see, on the upside, you can expect a little retracement is possible. How far it can go? 11,440, 450. Yes, good resistance. 11,500 is something I will look forward to only and only if it trades above 11,500. You can expect that the bulls are back, and possibly we can expect 520, 540, 560. If it breaks past, then 660 and 700 levels are expected. But is it going to happen or not? Let's have a look here. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold, and that is why we can see little smaller green candles. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. Probably it will converge from here. The RSI is trading near to the bottom, trading near to the oversold levels. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, the candle sizes have diminished since this big bearish candles. After this smaller candles and it's further smaller candles, so this means there could be a possibility of a retracement. Once it trades past 11,420, you can expect 11,450, 460 and then 500. So you can buy at 11,420, expect 450, 4 you can see till 460 it has got good resistance. Then beyond that 11,500 and beyond that further bullish note may take it till towards 550 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking forward to convert. The RSI is trading near to the bottom there. And if you look at the 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, lower highs are seen. Now this candle has formed the wick out there. It is looking forward to give you a red candle, possibly 360 levels below which you can sell. So 360 and 420 are two levels above and below which you can take a trade on Nasdaq 100 today. Below 360, 300 is the target. Above 420, you can still expect it to get the resistance at 460, 500 and then 550 levels. Directional movement on the 3-hour charts is bearish. Stochastic is trading extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is trading flat near to the bottom. On the 4-hour, now see, on the 4-hour charts, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely the Bollinger Bands have expanded. Second thing is the bear candle size is diminishing here. So this includes the possibility of a little retracement on the upside. 460 levels and 500 levels appears to be achievable, but then you should remain cautious. The directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bullish. We discussed this thing here that it is trading with divergence and possibly we can see a little drop. The RSI is trading at comfortable levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Now see the previous moves, 11,690 and then on the downside 11,380 till now. You can still expect 11,360 levels at the 350 levels, 360 levels at the next support, and almost these 240 points. You can see this, rather I'll say 340 points. Then 11,500, 520. These zone is increasingly important for Nasdaq 100 only and only if Nasdaq 100 trades above this. You can consider this as bullish. Directional movement here is bullish though, trying to converge here. The stochastic has seen a good fall. The MACD is trying to converge here. It was trading bullish. The RSI is trading flat here. Considering this, you can sell at 11,360 and buy at 11,420, but then expect 450, 460 zone and then 500, 520 levels as a very, very good resistance. Only and only if it trades above 520, you can consider this one a little further bullish move. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to trade profitably, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch starts on first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. Now, my Telegram IDs and my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the hourly charts for Dow Jones. Certainly, 33,200 is a very good support, and remember below 33,200, the next targets are 33,000 and 32,800. These levels are very important support. 32,800, 32,750 levels. So, anyways, we'll talk about this later. Yes, right now it is taking the support at 33,200, trying to rise a bit. Once it trades beyond the zone at 33,300, more bullishness can be seen, and then I will look forward to 33,500 levels again. Definitely beyond 33,500, we can see increasing bullishness in Dow Jones. Directional movement, bearish stochastic rising from the oversold zone, and it is looking upwards here. The MACD is at bottom trying to converge here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading extremely oversold, and hence a little retracement on the upside is possible here. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, you can see this on the 2-hour charts too. Taking the support, it is trying to rise. On the upside, 33,260, 33,300, providing it a very good resistance. Beyond that, possibly it can retrace a bit. 33,400, 33,500 levels are achievable. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading extremely oversold, and hence a little rise is expected. And on the 3-hour charts, similarly, on the 3-hour charts, you will wait for it to break past at least this zone here at 33,280 or 33,300 for it to reverse a little. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI trading oversold here. And if you look at 4-hour charts, but another observation on the 4-hour chart, see the diminishing candle size, the bearishness is diminishing here. Possibly trading above 33,300, you can expect little more bullishness, but then 33,500 is something which you should look forward to, because beyond that only you can expect little more bullishness there. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic extremely oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading extremely oversold here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can clearly see 32,800, 32,500 as the two major barriers here. So first, if it successfully trades below 33,200, you can expect 33,120, 33,050 and 33,000. 33,000 also is a very good support, and below that directly it may try to land at 32,900, which is definitely 32,800, which is definitely a very good support, and from there a possible rise is seen. Also look at the candle opened flat, and hence a little retracement on the upside for 33,400 and 500 can be expected. Directional movement increasingly divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD has taken a crossover again for a sell entry, and it is looking downwards here. RSI is trading flat at comfortable levels. Considering this, for the day you can buy here at 33,300 and sell here at 33,200 levels. In between these 100 points, do not trade on the upside. 33,400, 33,500. Only and only if it trades above 33,500, we can see increasing bullishness, which might take it for 33,700 and 800 levels, and beyond that further bullishness can be expected. On the downside, once it trades below 33,200, first target 33,120, 33,050, 33,000, and then 32,800 levels can be expected. 32,800, 33,000 zone is a very strong support zone for Dow Jones. So be cautious of this. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.